1 plus 1 is 2, snoko. And into Lumoto. Ishonancho snoko. Eh, tulala.
Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to create the dancing image. Yes, this type of editor, like a lot of people use it to go viral, which is absolutely true. So today I'm going to teach you how you are going to create it. It's easy to do it. I'm going to show you step by step how you'll be able to do it. Now, first of all, we need two things, which is your image and your video, your reference video. So now, first of all, let's get the image first. If you're using Gemini, when you're generating image, yes. Now, if you're using Gemini, most people prefer using ChatGPT. So now, we'll give Gemini the prompt what kind of image you want. Now, I need get your video. Now, where do you get your video from? You go to TikTok and search for any dance video you want to use, anyone or any reference video you want to use, whatsoever what the video might contain. Yes, whatsoever motion might contain. Go there and search and save it to your phone. So because of time, I will not be doing that. It's easy to do. Go to TikTok and save it. What the video is saved on your phone, now go to Kling AI. You now go to Kling AI and sign up with Gmail. Now, if you sign up with Gmail, you'll be given 66 credits. Yes, you'll be given 66 credits, which will limit you from doing a longer video. Now, but there are ways you can bypass it, which I've already created a video on that in my profile. So if you have been following me, I guess by now you have seen the video. So if you are just seeing the video for the first, seeing my video for the first time, go to my profile and definitely go to see the video there. How to bypass any app that requires payments. Yes, I've done the video on that. So now let's continue. Now you come to AI videos, AI video rather. Come to AI video and you come to motion control. Make sure you're in motion control. Now we are in motion control. So now these are the process we are going to do. I have already copied the prompt. It's already in my clipboard. So I'm going to read out the prompt for you when needed. So now pick the image from here. Pick the image from your gallery, because the image is already saved to your gallery. So you pick the image from your gallery. This is the image. You already picked the image. So now you wait for it to load. So the reason why add a motion video. Your motion video is the video reference you want to use. Now you want this image here to dance to a particular video. Now we want to upload the video. Now click here and choose the video from your gallery. Just where you took the picture from your gallery. So my video is already selected. Then our video so our video is ready now. Our video is ready. So it's as simple as that. Very, very simple. Save it to your phone and you are good to go. So if you have learned something new today, make sure you give me a follow and also